way of going about. And important is કે આપણે ઈ પ્રોસેસમાં છીએ કે નહીં, that is the most important thing. એ આપણા ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ થાય છે કે આપણે રેવા માંગીએ છે કે નથી. that is what is I think so. See, mediator તો કેટલા બધા છે. Everything what as our parents have and all the elders, I believe they have been giving us this wonderful message all the time. Okay, everything is there in this world.
Very good.
Right? Happiness is there, sadness is there, pain is there, everything is there. What you want to take that is what you are going to take.
Exactly. Very correct.
થાળી પરસેલી છે સર, થાળી પરસેલી છે. થાળીમાં પછી તમને શું લેવું છે? એનો 56 ભોગ આપણે કહીએ છે ને 56 ભોગ છે.
બરાબર છે.
56 ભોગ is ready, but the point is what you want to take. શું લઈ જવું છે અને શું લઈને આપણી જિંદગી બેટર બનાવી છે. પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇઝ ધેટ કે રડવું વધારે છે હસવું કરતા. કારણ કે શું છે, હસવામાં થોડું જોર લાગે છે, રડવામાં જોર નથી લાગતું. કારણ કે રડવામાં શું છે કે આપણી સ્ટોરી બીજાને કહેવાનું અને બીજો પણ આપણી સાથે oh my god, આવું થઈ ગયું, ઓહો બહુ ખરાબ થયું, એટલે એ ચાલુ થઈ જાય.
સિમ્પથી લઈ બધા બીજું કઈ નહીં.
So this is bound to happen, this is bound to happen, but we need to change at a particular given time. We need to change. Just imagine કરો યાર, આપણે કહેતા હતા ને નહીં ટાઈમ નથી મળતો, આ નથી થતું, તે નથી થતું, right? But what has practically this COVID situation has done for every one of us?
Change everybody's life.
Everybody's life. વાઇફ કમ્પ્લેન કરતા હતા કે યાર મારો વર મારા ઘરમાં નથી બેસતો, આખો દિવસ બહાર રખડે છે, બરોબર છે, એને મને ટાઈમ જ નથી આપતો. So that complaint also gone. બરોબર, એ આખો દિવસ ઘરે જ બેસે છે.
બીજા બધામાં હેલ્પ કરો છો ને?
અરે અમારું તો ચાલુ જ છે, અમારે ખાવા પીવાની ડિલિવરી ચાલુ છે. Yeah, it's perfectly all right. My wife and my daughter is serving food for COVID patients and all that.
Very good.
ખાવા પીવાનો કાર્યક્રમ બહુ મસ્ત ચાલે છે. 4-8 મહિના થઈ ગયા આ લોકોએ ચાલુ કર્યું છે, ત્યારથી નોન સ્ટોપેબલ છે. અને આપણને પછી બહારનું પતાવવું જ પડે ને, પછી ડિલિવરી આપવી જ પડે બધાને. Correct. So just imagine karo, this situation is given us so much to think, so big thing ke in every situation we are adapting to the change of situation. Yes or no?
We have to.
We have to. As a human being, we can in fact, we have to, but we can based on the circumstances. But આમાં શું થયું કે માણસ કે યાર કંટાળો આવે છે યાર, રોજ સવારના પોરમાં ઉઠીને કામ પર જવું, બ્લા બ્લા બ્લા. હવે ઘરમાં બેસી ગયો, હવે ઘરથી વર્ક ફ્રોમ હોમ આવી ગયું. હવે જયારે વર્ક ફ્રોમ હોમ આવી ગયું તો એ માણસ રડે છે યાર, યાર હું પિંજરામાં ફસાઈ ગયો. So I don't know, means for me though it has been a wonderful journey. I cannot ask for anything more, but this has been a wonderful journey. Last year was the fantastic year, in fact the best of years my life ma, and this year also is going to be the best. In fact,
let's hope so. Yes.
See, એક ચીજ તો કન્ફર્મ છે, માણસને જવાનો ટાઈમ નક્કી છે, બરાબર છે, પણ આપણે ઈ જે સમય આપણી પાસે છે એમાં how best we can live is what is the most important thing. Don't you agree with me, sir?
વેરી કરેક્ટ સર.
આજે રડીને જવું છે કે હસીને જવું છે એ આપણા ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ થાય છે. વેધર ફુલફિલમેન્ટ થી જવું છે કે રિગ્રેટ થી જવું છે, that also depends on us.
વેરી કરેક્ટ.
Because most of the time એ થાય છે કે યાર મેં આ નથી કર્યું, મારું આ બાકી રહી ગયું, ઓલું બાકી રહી ગયું. યાર તો કરો ને, કોણે ના પાડી છે યાર. એજ ઇઝ નોટ અ ફેક્ટર, બિલીવ મી, એજ ઇઝ નોટ અ ફેક્ટર. એ આપણે બનાવી નાખ્યું છે કે હું હવે મારું આ થઈ ગયું એટલે મારે આમ થઈ જવાનું. સી, રિટાયરમેન્ટની એજ કોઈ હોતી નથી, આપણે નક્કી કરી છે એ રિટાયરમેન્ટની. જસ્ટ ઇમેજિન કરો, કેન્ટકી જે ચિકન વાળો છે, એને 65 એજે એને સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું છે એ બિઝનેસ. જે માણસ 60 એ રિટાયર થાય છે, that fellow started his business at the age of 65. So now think about it, okay, is there an actual age of retirement? No. We got such a small lifespan કે ક્યારે સવાર પડે છે, ક્યારે રાત પડે છે, ખબર નથી પડતી. બટ ઇન બિટવીનમાં આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ becomes very important. Now either we do a time pass by watching TV, newspaper, this, that. It is all time pass. Yes, we for everybody you need a change of mind, a change of environment. Fine, you are doing that, I am okay with that. But what about the rest of the time?
Yes.
Are we utilizing to become a better person? Are we utilizing to even think? માણસને વિચાર કરવાની શક્તિ નીકળી ગઈ છે, માણસ વિચાર નથી કરી શકતો.
સાચી વાત છે.
કારણ કે મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ ટાઈમ we are doing the time pass with the mobile phones.
વેરી કરેક્ટ.
અને એ બહુ એક હેબિટ પડી ગઈ છે માણસોને, continuously on the mobile phone. Now just imagine karo, we are also our family also was facing the similar problem.
Yes.
And then consciously we need to decide, okay, on the dining table, do we want this mobile phone next to us, or can we eat the food which has been prepared with lot of love and sweat? The people who are preparing the food at home, our wife, mother, or the children who are there big enough to prepare the food, they are preparing with lot of love and sweat. But when we are sitting to have the food, okay, are we really enjoying that food also? Or ek hath mein mobile, ઓલા પૂછે કે ભાઈ કાઈ જોયે છે? હા હા, okay, okay. What is this? Mobile continuously in hand and khata khata. Why, what you are eating? See, small things je 30 years back, 20 years back, this was not there.
Yes.
We were really enjoying the food. Now just imagine, we have a get together, and in that get together everybody is there to meet each other, and most of the time people are on the phone. And I feel really bad when even in the Shamshan Ghat also people are using the phone. Dhandho kare છે ત્યાં. Wow, it is absurd. It is a, I would say, criminal thing to do. Okay, you have come over here for some reason to pay homage to the person who has left, and to give some type of santwan to the family ke boss, sorry for the loss, but people are on the phone. What is the fun of having the phone even during such situation? એવા તો કયા કરોડપતિ બની જાઓ છો કે એવું તો શું અટકી જાય છે કે જે ફોન નથી અટકાવી શકતા તમે?
Very correct. સાચી વાત છે.
This is a very small thing, you know, it is a very small thing, but it is really irritating. And I don't understand why people are not even ready to understand this. Why they are not ready to understand that this is a simple thing. So it becomes very difficult, you know, it becomes very difficult when things are not done even for the simplest point of things to be done. And then we say, boss, मेरा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है.
It happens with everybody.
Yes. Now, not using, I am telling you, the first routine when we started this thing was, I have spoken n number of times, okay, in the first 1 hour of your mornings, please don't use the mobile phones. Please don't use the mobile phones. Okay, just don't open the mobile and see. 1 घंटा आपको पूरा मिलेगा, लेकिन सुबह सुबह में व्हाट्सएप चेक करते हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग भेजना. अरे भाई, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, फर्स्ट यू मेक योर मॉर्निंग गुड ना.
Yes.
ठीक है, गुड मॉर्निंग भेजो, लेकिन दैट इज नॉट द टाइम. फर्स्ट यू गेट इनटू दैट रूटीन. सुबह को उठो, डू योर एक्सरसाइज, डू योर योगा, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. ओके, अच्छी पढ़ाई करो, रादर देन रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर. रीड अ गुड बुक. ग्रंथ का होगा, भगवान का रहेगा, जो भी अच्छा पढ़ना है पढ़ो. ओके, यू वांट टू लर्न समथिंग, दैट इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू लर्न. लेकिन हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, सुबह सुबह में गुड मॉर्निंग, फॉरवर्ड मैसेज, गुड मॉर्निंग, फॉरवर्ड मैसेज, गुड मॉर्निंग. अरे क्या, डजंट मेक सेंस. एंड द सेम प्रॉब्लम, just imagine karo, even while we are discussing few things with our friends or our family members or our children, we are not ready to leave this instrument. And फिर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मेरा बच्चा निकल गया मेरे हाथ से. तो have you given that time to the child just by leaving that phone across and listening to the person who has come to you? वो भी नहीं. एक मिनट, let me take this last phone. एक मिनट. Hello. The prime minister also is not taking so many phone calls. यार आप इतना तो क्या phone calls में घुस गए हो यार. Whether it is 1 घंटी बजा. See why I am saying this, and believe me, this may be happening to you also. We are in the mid of some trades. Okay, I will come back to what we are doing and why we are all here. And we are thinking about taking a particular trade, and ganti bajta hai, टी, and we are opening this WhatsApp, and our focus goes on the WhatsApp which is going on. Okay, we miss the trade. Yes or no? Is this not what is happening? That means our focus is gone.
Yes.
And when the focus goes, what happens? ये वो जो अर्जुन वाला thing, you remember Arjun wala thing? He was told by Dronacharya कि you need to hit the eye of the fish which is there. And when everybody was aiming to that particular thing, and they were asked, what you can see? Only Arjun said, I can see the eye of the fish. Everybody says, I can see the tree, this, that. तो सबका फोकस नहीं था, खाली एक बंदे का फोकस था. क्यों? क्योंकि he had to hit that bullseye. तो सबसे बड़ा डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंस्ट्रूमेंट आज की तारीख में
Mobile.
is the mobile phone.
Very correct. I agree with you.
It ruins your family life. It ruins and criminal waste of time which you could give it to your children also. Just imagine karo. Yes, for your office work, everything, I will not say this can be one of the best thing you can have. Okay, the whole computer is now in your mobile phone. जो जो ये फैसिलिटी पहले नहीं था, but we are misusing the advantage what we have received, because we cannot let go this instrument for even 5 minutes. We have gone for an holiday, okay, and everybody, instead of enjoying the holiday, everybody is on the mobile phones. You have gone for us for looking at the sunrise or sunset, okay, instead of enjoying the nature outside, what we are all doing, फोटो निकालते हैं. अरे फोटो तो यार तुमको यूट्यूब पे और गूगल पे जितना चाहिए उतना मिल जाएंगे फोटो. अच्छा, वो फोटो फिर फॉरवर्ड करेंगे सब लोग. खुद एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे, जो अभी है उसको एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे. फोटो निकालो, फोटो भी निकालो, चलो उसके बाद में क्या, फिर बैठ जाते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे. तो द ब्यूटी विच इज देयर, विच नीड्स टू बी एंजॉयड, वो भी सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल गए. तो जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. लाइफ इज सिंपल. पीपल before, who did not had the privilege of having the mobiles and not even phone at the residence, they were also enjoying. But ये तो एक एक ऐसे जेल में बिठा दिया है माइंड साइट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, कि लाइफ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, कि एक दिन अगर हम लोग ने फोन नहीं वापरा तो हम लोग पागल बन जाते हैं. Just imagine karo, I'll give you this thing. Family was going out on a Sunday for dinner, and I had kept my phone on charge, and I forgot to take that phone. Okay, so when we were going, and I said, oh, I just forgot the phone. तो बोला गाड़ी घुमाओ, फोन उठा ले. अरे भाई, मेरा पूरा फैमिली मेरे साथ में है, मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है. अच्छा, ऐसा तो क्या, कौन सा ऐसा फोन आएगा ऑन संडे इवनिंग के मेरा कुछ नुकसान होने वाला है. अच्छा, जो भी अगर फैमिली इसको मेरे को अगर कांटेक्ट करना भी है, इमरजेंसी भी है, तो मेरा फोन नहीं है, तो मेरी वाइफ का फोन है. तो इट इज परफेक्टली ऑल राइट नॉट टू हैव दैट फोन विथ यू फॉर जस्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर इवनिंग. एंड दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई रियलाइज, यार फर्क नहीं पड़ा, मेरे पास फोन नहीं था, तो वो इवनिंग वाज द बेस्ट इवनिंग. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि यार यही तो बेस्ट करना ही चाहिए, कि यू शुड अवॉइड दैट फोन. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग आई डेफिनेटली अवॉइड द फोन, बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू योर टाइम टू थिंक. आज आदमी सोचना बंद कर दिया. टेकिंग द फोन टू द सिमेट्री, हाँ, आदमी ऊपर जा रहा है, फैमिली इज क्राइंग, दे वो, एंड वहां पे वो लोग धंधा कर रहे हैं. अरे यार, क्या है यार. दिस कल्चर नीड्स टू चेंज. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग विच स्टार्ट्स इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ. यू कैन नॉट टेल समवन कि ये मत करो till you are not doing. Khatam. Stop doing that, and you will feel the goodness in you. At least वो जगह पे तो avoid करो. And when you are with your family, वो time पे avoid करो. When you are at the eating table, वो time पे avoid करो. And see the difference. The quality of time you spend with your family, the quality of time which you spend with your friends also. See the difference it will. वो डिटॉक्स करने की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है नियर फ्यूचर में. Everybody says detox, and most of the youngsters, they will have this type of angutha in near future, because most of the time they are on phone like this. तो इनको जो आर्थराइटिस वाला कार्यक्रम होने वाला है ना, इट इज गोइंग टू बी सो बैड कि इनका अंगूठे का शेप ही ऐसा हो जाने वाला है नियर फ्यूचर में. हम लोग अपने बच्चे लोग को बोलते हैं अरे पढ़ाई में ध्यान रखो, फोन साइड में रखो, बट वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग. हम लोग खुद वो फोन को साइड में नहीं रख सकते हैं. सो गाइस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट ये जो आदत पड़ी है हमको, इट इज गुड थिंग, इट इज बैड थिंग, बट मोर अ बैड थिंग विच वी आर नाउ कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड अनकॉन्शियसली. अपने को ध्यान ही नहीं आ रहा है कि हम लोग ने ये आदत हम लोग ने घुसा दी है, और इसमें से बाहर निकलना कितना मुश्किल हो. नाउ इफ द मोबाइल फोन इज गॉन, नेक्स्ट डे पैसा खर्चे से नया फोन आ जाता है. नाउ व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस इज के आई गो फॉर इंश्योरेंस एंड आई सेड के बॉस ये ले लो, तुम्हारे फैमिली के लिए अच्छा है ये वो, एंड दे विल से नो, पैसा ही नहीं है. And I ask them only one thing: tomorrow your mobile goes off, are you not going to get the mobile for yourself? बोला यार बहुत जरूरी है. बोला क्या जरूरी है? तो सिक्योरिटी फॉर योर फैमिली इज जरूरी और मोबाइल इज जरूरी, ये वो नक्की कर लो. एंड 100 में से मुश्किल से एक या तो 2 जन ये चीज समझ सकता है कि मैं उसको क्या समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. मोबाइल के लिए पैसा आ गया सडनली, जो आदमी के पास बोल रहा है मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, उसके लिए मोबाइल के लिए पैसा आ गया नेक्स्ट डे इट से 30,000 40,000 रुपीज और इवन 80-90,000 रुपीज का मोबाइल यूज करने के लिए पैसा है. सो यू नीड टू एक्चुअली थिंक what is good for you, whether this instrument you want to use it for the right purpose. In fact, sometimes you know how important this can be. I have some important job to be done and I cannot be in front of the machine. Not a problem, मेरे मोबाइल पे सब कुछ है. Okay, my trades are open, I can do it from my mobile also, not a problem. So ये plus point है हमारे लिए. But how much misuse we are doing for this particular mobile? How much misuse? And now it has become a habit, and that habit is not good enough for the people who want to reach the next level. Okay, तो consciously ये habit को कम करना पड़ेगा आपको, okay, to avoid. And when you will avoid, then and then only you will be doing it in a right fashion, going about making your morning routines right. So guys, very important that this mobile which is there for you should be used in a right fashion. Especially 2 things I am just requesting every one of you. 2 things you do. First, 1 hour in the mornings, avoid the phone call. Okay, because you need to have this login and everything. You're touching the phone, it is fine. Lekin WhatsApp open hi mat karo. After once you have done this, once you are out of this mate, okay, just avoid that phone and go about your normal morning routines. Do your exercise, okay, read a good book, and all the morning routines what you have set for yourself. See the time you are going to get. Secondly, when you are having your food on your table, okay, stop that mobile phones. It is going to help you once again to have a quality time with your family members. See, God has been so kind to every one of us. Okay, जो लोग 10 घंटा 12 घंटा 14 घंटा घर से बाहर रहते थे, एंड देवर ऑलवेज क्रीपिंग, यार घर पे रहने को ही नहीं मिलता है, मेरे बच्चे को सुबह कभी उठता है और वो स्कूल में चले जाता है, एंड फिर मैं जब भी आता हूँ तभी वो सो जाता है, ये जो गड़बड़ हो रहा था, आई एम नॉट इवन हैविंग टू सी माई चाइल्ड ग्रो, वो ग्रो वाला कार्यक्रम आपके पास फिर से आ गया है because of corona, because everybody is sitting at home. So enjoy that moment instead of creeping, oh my god, lockdown lockdown lockdown. अरे क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला? How many days, good days are there with your family? Now just few days back when I was chit chatting with one of my friends, he said, Mayur yaar बेकार है, धंधा ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, okay. So whatever is not there, you are creeping for whatever is not there. Okay, I said, let's make a list of whatever we have today. घर है, गाड़ी है, बंगला है, सब कुछ है, खाना है, 2 टाइम का खाना है. Okay, what is not there is future. What is not there, whatever you are thinking is of all future. Abhi jo hai, that you are not even enjoying it, and you are crying for the future. What is the fun of it? So if we count our blessing with what we are having, if we count our blessing with what we have, like I said, every day morning, at least say thank you to God, to whomever you are thinking here. Thank you to our parents to give us such a wonderful life. And see the difference it will make. Instead of crying for what we don't have, say thank you for what we have. And when you will stop using these mobile phones, okay, during your lunch time and a dinner time, when you will enjoy the food, and when you will say thank you to the people who have made that food, उनका पसीना और गर्मी में जो उन लोग मेहनत करते हैं किचन में, they will also feel so good about it कि यार मेरे मेहनत वसूल हो गई. See, you are not paying to the person who is preparing food at your residence. You have never paid them. Just imagine karo, when you are going to the restaurant, okay, you are giving tip to the waiter who is only serving you. Tip to the waiter who is serving you. But the person who is with love, with affection, preparing the food for us, उसको हम लोग थैंक यू भी नहीं बोल सकते. Why? Because हम लोग मोबाइल में एनग्रोस हो गए हैं. So today do one thing. It's a small request from me. Today when you have your food during your lunch and your dinner, just say thank you yaar, मजा आ गया. And see the smile on her face, whether it is your mother or whether it is your wife or whether it is your daughter, whoever is there, just tell them મજા आ गया, બહુ મસ્ત બન્યું છે, રેસ્ટોરન્ટ કરતા પણ સરસ છે. And see the smile on the face, you will really, so good you will feel about this. And that is what life is all about, yaar. Thank you to Dr. Vardhan, Angelo, Dr. Yatin is also there today. Kunal is there. And Varun is there. Wow. Nitin and Mr. Vinod is also there. Thank you all for being here early morning. I hope today I was able to give you some value. Yes, mobile has been a boon and a curse, but let's not get into that habit of using it in at the wrong place, and see the difference in the life you can get. Okay, spend some quality time with your family. Okay, don't curse that this lockdown is blah blah blah. Instead of that, say thank you. Yeah, I am going to spend quality time with my um, children's, quality time with my parents, quality time with my wife, and see the difference in the outcome what you are going to get. So inhale the hot steam to stay away from the corona, and please be safe, please be happy, laugh. I thank you once again to be over here today morning in the morning chit chat with Mayur Sampath. See you tomorrow again, 6 o'clock. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Good day, sir.
Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.